Hello guys, so someone asked me how I was able to do this video. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can be able to do this kind of video using InShot. Okay, if you are using InShot is one tool I make use of for my video editing. So if you want to do a video like this, you can use InShot. Okay, before we proceed, please, if this is the first time viewing my channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe and click on the bell to turn on post notification. Okay, so this is the video. First thing you want to do is go to your camera, take a like a front shot of yourself. Okay, so once you've taken the video you want for your, of yourself, the next thing you want to do is to go to InShot. All right, so go to InShot. Let me just go back to a draft. Click on there, click on new. So if you don't have InShot, go to this thing and download it, either your Play Store or your Google Store, and then you download it. All right, so you go to click on new, then pick the video you want to make use of for the ad. Okay, you want to make use of, so that's the video you want to use, so you pick it, then this is the video. All right, then you see where the is being written canvas by your left. Tap on canvas, then this is what allows you to rotate your the video. Okay, so you can now move this video by the side, broaden it depending on how you want it to be. Move it by the side, you click yes, then look at text, you click on your text, then you can now put in what you want to put. Hello. Okay, let me just use this. Are you a small business owner? Okay, so that's a test you want to use. Let's say you want to use this kind of test. Click on the color. All right, so you can see that is how you go about it. If you're using this kind of test, you reduce it so that you can enter this size. Okay, you just click next. So this is this test bar is something you can use to adjust whatever you want to do. All right, so depending on where you want this to go, you can just adjust it by holding that and then adjust it. Then if you want to add something else, you just click edit again. If you want to put on that right up, you click on edit, then you put in. So if you want to click on text, click on text, then you can now add up any other write up you want to use. That is for putting on any other write up. Okay, then InShot had made it very easy for us to work with. All right, so one thing you want to do next is to click on pip, this pip. All right, this pip, that is the thing you want to click on. That is where you can add the pip. There is for you to be able to add images and video or any other thing on top of this. Okay, so you want to add an image, you want to add something, just click on it, then go down to your image, wherever the image are. Let me find one. I should just make use of any image. Okay, yeah, you just click it. Now you can see that this image have come to the top here. So now you can just choose where you want this image to be. Okay, so we want the image to be here, then we just keep it here. So these are other features you can make use of. You have the keyframe, you have the edit, anything you want to use. So that is if you want to make it transparent. Okay, that's what the keyframe is all about. Okay, so but anything you want to use, you can click on edit. All right, then edit, you can use any of this arrow. Now determine how the thing appears.
Alright, I'm
okay,
going to show you how
you can use any of this arrow. You can use want to download, so anything you want to use here. It depends on what you are doing. Okay, so then that's how I did. Then if you want to delete it, you can delete, you can filter, you can use any of this key function. So if you want to add more images, you can just scroll down, then add, click on add, go to your image. If you want to add a video, you can add any video you want to add. Want to add on that image, just go here, click there, then pick up another image and then you add. All right, and then you add the image there. So that is all you need to do if you want to do the video I did using InShot. So that is everything about it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. This is the first time don't forget to subscribe. If you have any other question, drop it in the comment section. Please give this video a like and then give us a comment. Just tell us something, okay? Just tell us thank you for watching for this video. All right, thank you so much.